the bustling chaos of school, anxiety can creep in when you least expect it. One day, Max stumbles across a tiny glowing sticker, the buddy beacon. Its light flickers and catches his attention, leading him to the stairs where he finds Mia, hiding, shaky, and quiet. With a comforting presence, Max approaches her gently, remembering a crucial rule: no forcing. He understands she's in charge. "What do you need? Space, water, or someone to listen?" he asks. Mia whispers, "Listen." Max settles beside her, giving her an escape route. "I've been there too," he reassures her. Together, they take a quick 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 senses scan. As Mia exhales, Max notices her bravery. "You showed up today," he says, softening the moment. "Can we go somewhere calm?" Mia asks, her voice steadier now. Max offers choices: calm corner, buddy bench, or we can talk to a grown-up together. With a warm handoff, they walk side by side. Later, inspired, Max posts, "You are not alone." He approaches the principal, excited to propose a peer-led calm space. The buddy beacon glows once more, hinting at Max's new mission unlocked.